Continue to share. Lovers, continue. Don't let it. Do you understand? And no surrender. Continue to share and subscribe. Go bask me. Love you, fans. I just want to make a reaction on analysis on the saga so far. Liz Anjorin, ilé ayé ló ti rí yẹn. I understand your plight. So ti yẹ neither ẹ̀yin tèmi ṣe ń gbọ́ ẹ̀yin yẹn náà gbogbo wa ló bá wí. Neither am I blaming Toyin Abraham. Ká dẹ̀ dúpẹ́ fún bàbá ọkọ mi ọ̀wọ́n Yomi Fabiyi for granting interview upon interview tí yín náà ní bàjẹ́. Ṣé rí Yomi àná mi Yomi Fabiyi wọ́n wọ against Toyin Abraham o. Nǹkan tí gbogbo àwọn tó jọ bí ẹni pé wọ́n take side kò sẹ́ni tó take side for Liz Anjorin but nǹkan tó jọ bí ẹni pé à ń take side nǹkan try láti prove ni pé Liz Anjorin kò dédé máa bínú pé ajé ò dédé gbó torí gbogbo èèyàn rí bí ọmọ burúkú gbogbo èèyàn rí bí wèrè bí ọmọkọ́mọ bí àṣà ṣùgbọ́n we know better pé kì í ṣọ̀rọ̀ àṣà lọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí kì í ṣe gbogbo èèyàn not everybody can take things the things that I will overlook but I'm here because of Liz Anjorin especially and to say a very big thank you to Uncle Yomi Fabiyi my in-law. You might not know me èmi mọ̀ yín ṣó ti yé yín gbogbo ìgbà tí mo wà ní Polytechnic Ìbàdàn I was dating your younger brother which I never regret dating him and mo jẹ gan nínú sweat yín all when you were in Germany ṣó ti yé yín ẹ̀yin ò mọ̀ èmi mọ̀ yín gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ fi ránṣẹ́ sílé gbogbo mọ́tò do you understand àbúrò yín máa ń cruise the town wá gbé mi school wá ṣe gbogbo ẹ máa fi designer things ránṣẹ́ sílé but I'm not here on that today so ti I want to say a very big thank you not that Liz Anjorin bribe you but you stood for the truth that what you were trying to say is that Liz Anjorin ajé òdèdè máa gbó nobody is against Toyin Abraham but I want to in your millions thank God that you have maintained your silence now but millions of people might come for you don't care just listen to Mommy Esabo stay cool do you understand but I still blame you so much I don't like what Imam Paris said concerning you I would have loved to keep on coming out for people coming for you but I've taken time to think about the whole thing I understood that you are the one at fault even though you might be fighting for what is right Liz Anjorin èèyàn máa ń gba nǹkan mọ́ra kó kún fún àdúrà ni ṣe bó lọ sí hajj ṣe rí bíbélì gan sọ mi ò mọ̀ nípa ti Quran ó ní ogun tá à ń jà kì í ṣe ogun táwa rò pa fojú rí we wrestle not against flesh and blood ìwọ lè rò pé ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹlẹ́rara tó ń ṣe ẹ́ ní jẹ́ kó fèsì ẹ̀ nǹkan tó wà lẹ́yìn ọ̀fà ó ju òjé lọ ẹ tó jọ pé ó ṣe é nǹkan tó ń gbénú ẹ̀ ó ju tèṣù lọ nǹkan tí ò yé wọ nìyẹn òun ló ṣe jọ pé the more tí wọ́n sọ mind there the more you are saying your mind people kept coming for you it's even beyond the titans including those that were not even titans they kept coming for you to know that what you just think that if my mouth can save me if I could start saying things from my mouth and begin to slander her maybe people will feel you but the more you come out negatively because you are angry the more people were against you for you to see the work of the devil that does not mean you are not right oh for you to know that the devil is at work you might be on your right but nowadays being on your right is not enough and saying the truth is no longer enough the Bible says the wise maintain in silence it is the battle that you will live for God that you keep praying alone if you strongly close to God let me see no matter as many as powerful they might be against you let me tell you if I will this thing will have part I will tell you the story of my life here I also have the same experience and Abigail Jagaban with her friend what is the name of her friend Jimike also have the same experience do you understand we are all humans such is life I have the same experience here when the ladies that offended me still go gaga I maintain my silence even though it was very hurtful I maintain my silence and with due time I conquer